And worst of all, humans have a conundrum. Pushing a button, and having to push a button. To have a button to push a button. Having to go to work to make a button to push. They push when they go home, the button. They look at the button. They engineer at work, receiving money to have a nice button to push.
Growing plant stuff and fruits
Humans push a button, humans push a button, humans push a button, humans have a war about a button they push. A button that pays them, a button that gives them stimulation, a button that gives them a reward. Humans who push a button. How many hours a year, and how many hours a day, how many hours in a month do humans push a button, listen to a button, stare at a button, look at a button, and how many people need to die to explain the obviousness of the mathematical inaccuracy involving light, energy, and a button humans push. A button humans observe.